Hey guys, it's Jillian. What's up? Back with another video, and today, you guys, this was really requested from my last video. Not last video, but a really long time video. Sorry if my hair is really crazy, but it was really requested that I would do a tutorial. So this is a quick squishy tutorial, if you guys want to know. And my next video probably will be a collection again, which new squishies, because you guys have been asking for that. And hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notifications so you get to be notified every time I post a new video. Hopefully you guys like this video, and I'm really excited for this. So let's just get on with the video. Okay, so what you want is some paper, and scissors, and some colors like crayons or something, markers, whatever you like to color your squishy. And I'll be back with the materials because I didn't set it up. I was just trying to do my intro like this. So I'll be right back, guys. See you in a sec. Okay, so I'm back. So I got my paper. You can use any kind of paper you want. This is the only one I could find or get. And I got some scissors. You could use small scissors, whatever you like. But if you're young, you could use. And I got some Crayola crayons. There's 24 colors in here, and also where my camera set is, I have some markers that I could use. These are not all of them because I have more up there. So let's get on making the squishy. So I got new glasses, so I don't really wear them in my vids, but so what you want to do is you want to open your crayons. And first things, you got to have also a pencil or Sharpie to design your squishy with. I'd rather if you use a Sharpie, put it under something because it could leak on your desk or a table. So yeah, I'm going to use my pencil. And what we're going to do today is just like a really cute kind of donut. And you guys can do whatever kind of design you want. This is just a little tutorial, like I said. So with the colors, you could not make it show the lines on the paper, so I'm just gonna draw that out. And I used to be a really good sketcher, and I still am. I'm gonna start doing. Okay, and it's not a perfect donut, but it's a donut. And I'm gonna put it sideways so it looks more like a kind of a donut. So now, you want to color it, and you could do any colors you want on your donuts. I haven't did squishies in quite a while, but I'll bring my squishies back and do something with them. But what I'm gonna use is an orange color. You should use like some pink sprinkles and skin color for the donut kind. The donut. And I think this is purple. Yeah, that's purple. And you could use whatever kind of colors. So right now, I'm gonna take my sprinkle colors, and this color is carnation pink, and this is orange. So what, you just want to put dots all over your donut. If you want, you could put them only at the top, and this will kind of take a while. So I'll be back with the finished design on my donut, and you will guys see. So I'll do it. Okay, so this is the finished right here, and you gotta fold the paper so it has two parts of the donuts. And when you get that shape, you could just make a circle on the back and color it in with your skin color, which this is skin color. And so Yeah, and you have to use tape for this. You can use any kind of filling you want. But right now, I'm gonna take my scissors, and I'm gonna take this, my squishy design, and start cutting it. And this is what I do to make squishies. And you can cut off the black line to make it even more realistic if you want, but like it's up to you. But you have to be really careful so you get your two parts of your squishy the right way. And I'm cutting off the black of mine, and I'm doing it really carefully. So I got that done, and this is what it looks like. You can color in the white spot or make a face on it. What I'm gonna do is put a face on it. So I'm gonna take this infill, and I'm just gonna make a tiny little face. And a little mouth. Look at that. It's not that perfect. Okay, yeah, mine, it's right, so I can just take it apart. That's how you have two. And I cut off most of the black line on my squishy design. You can see that. And I'm gonna color in with the eyes like a blue color. This, I'm going to take a blue color and fill in the eyes to make blue. Then I'm going to take a pink color and color in the nose. Yep, and then I'm going to put some of that skin color on. Not that perfect. I know, it's really weird, but you guys asked for a squishy tutorial, and all you have to do now is take your squishy, your design. You want to tape it on the sides, but you want to leave a little top, a little opening. Opening like that, but it's all taped around except the top. And then you want to add your filling inside of it. I don't have any tape, but I have the filling. So I'm just gonna do that. And at the end of this, I'll put a picture what you could do. So if this didn't make any sense, probably. But you just want to go like that and make a little hole at the top like that and add your filling. If you don't do that, you can't add your filling and it won't be a squishy. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, hit the post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And comment down below if you're excited for school. I start school tomorrow, and yeah. Also, if you like this video, I'll be doing another King's Court squishy video after my new squishy collection. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel for all of that. And I'll have my gaming channel linked in my description, my brother's gaming channel linked in the description. So you get to check our channels out. And friend me on Fortnite, I'll have that in the description. And my Roblox name in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video. It was really highly requested, so I guess I'll just do it. Anyways, thank you guys. Bye everyone. Like the video.